Today I'm going to tell you everything you could possibly want to know about this Wavytalk hair dryer. This thing is absolutely amazing. Dries hair really, really quickly. I'm going to show you all the attachments you get, what I like about it, what I don't like about it, and two things you should kind of think about before you even consider buying it. So this is exactly what it looks like here. We got a nice long cord so you can plug it in wherever. It looks like it's about 5 or 6 feet. We got a bunch of different settings here. Let's take a quick look at the attachments real quick. So these are going to be the attachments you get over here. Comes in this really nice box as well. So very giftable if you want to get someone one of these hair dryers. So we got the diffuser right over here. This is going to be great for curly hair. It comes with this comb attachment right over here as well. So you kind of see what they look like. And then this is going to be like kind of the normal everyday piece. This is the piece I use the most for me. Now, in terms of settings over here it's going to control your temperature over here. So we got the coolest, it gets a little hotter, and then that's going to be the hottest. And then on this side, right over here, we got the power. So you got a 1 speed, a 2, and it goes up that way. So you got two different speed options here, which is nice. You also have the hot shot button right over here, which works really nice. It goes actually very quickly, which is nice. One thing I do like about this, it's super light, it's compact. It also has this like little Velcro thing over here to kind of keep the cord however you want it. To put this on over here, we're just going to take a quick look right over there. We're just going to pop this on just like that, angle it however you want, and we're kind of good to go now. So once we got this going right over here, we're going to just note right over here, you could, if you wanted to set the temperature prior, so if you wanted it hot, get it to hot and before you turn it on. I like to kind of just start right over here. I get it going right over here and then work my way up. You see it does a really good job. This is on the first speed right over here. We're gonna take it up just like that. You see it's really moving, which is really nice. And then if you go all the way up over here, this is getting extremely hot right over here. So you'll see right over here, it's really hot. And then as soon as I hit this cool button right over here, it gets cool. I would say within like, call it 3 to 5 seconds. It's almost very cool. So you do have that option, which I personally like because sometimes it just gets way too hot and you don't, and when you bring it back down, sometimes it's just easier to hit this button and be like, yo, hold on 1 second. Let's get this a little cooler. I like the fact that it's super compact as well. And then on the flip side of this as well, if you needed to kind of clean this out right over here, you're just going to twist that off. All your hair is going to be over here. Obviously, ours is very clean because we are making this video. But if you wanted to get it back on, you're just going to kind of just line that back up just like that. And then you're going to snap it into place and you're kind of good to go. Really, really nice on this. And then again, if you wanted to just take this attachment off, you just pop it off like that. Really, really like this hair dryer. So if you're looking for a great hair dryer that comes with a diffuser, a comb piece, your normal piece, you got the three different temperatures, the cool, the medium, the hot, and then two different speeds and that hot shot button. Definitely check this out. Really like this a lot, and a huge thank you to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.